Hi everyone, I'm back here for another Talk Lingala with Joe video. I hope you're all doing alright. But first of all, I just would like to say thanks very much. Thank you to all who's already subscribed to this channel. And if you haven't yet done it, it's not too late. Please subscribe to help me grow the channel. And of course, to get the video as soon as it gets uploaded. So without further ado, let's get to our today's video. So I'm going to give you a bit of grammar and a couple of words, couple of vocabulary, starting with over in Lingala. The first one that I'm gonna give you is overnight. How to say overnight in Lingala? Tongosa. They stayed overnight. Bavanda ki tongosa. The second one, overcome. Kolonga. He overcame his challenge. Alongi mokakatano nae. Alonga ki mokakatano nae. He overcame his challenge. Alonga ki mokakatano nae. Overturn. Kubongola. They overturn the situation, man. Babongola ki situation. Overcharge. Kufutisa koleka ndelo. Are you overcharging me, mate? Don't you see like you overcharging? Uzufutisa na koleka. Uzufutisa na koleka. Kufutisa koleka ndelo. Overcharge. Overpower. To overpower is kolekela makasi. You overpower them, you know. Alekela kena makasi. Overpower. Overlook. Kotia kate. Machaki yangu kata. I overlooked it. Kotia kate. Overrate. Kozwa na motuya koleka ndelo. To overrate. Overseas. Mikili ya poto. So there are for you words starting with over in Lingala. Now for the second bit, I'm gonna give you question tags. How to create question tags in Lingala. Now as you know, question tags serve two purposes. They help us ask a question to either confirm or to agree with someone or to agree with a statement. Now how do you create a question tag in Lingala? There are so many question tags in English, you know. So many question tags, and there's a formula to that using auxiliary verbs. And so we have like I am, aren't I have I not, I do, don't I don't, do I will, won't I, you know, I will not, will I, all of that, I can, can't I cannot, can I, all that. How do you say that in Lingala? Well, it couldn't get any easier than that in Lingala. It couldn't get any easier. That's the good news that I got for you. In Lingala, we have only 3 ways to say that, and that's all. Simple as that. Bongote, boete, or you can say nakosi, and that's it. It couldn't get any easier than that in Lingala. Oya zamona mubali. Boete is a boy. His name. mwana mobali boye te napesaki yo mbongo lobi nakosi. You see, simple as that. So there are for you question tags in Lingala. I hope you found it interesting, and if you do, please hit that button, like and subscribe, share and share. I couldn't stress that enough. Please, and write us comments to help us grow the channel. So see you later.